Hello, welcome to the box room. We are going to change the color of the border to black. We're going to change the color of the screen to white. And we're going to change the characters to white. Now, I have plugged in this drive and connected it to the 64. Let's turn it on. Okay, if you heard that, it made the right noises. We'll see if it wants to dance. Oops, sorry. Already had that typed in. All right, so far, it does not want to dance. Let's try and see if this headbanging, ooh, that sounds interesting, makes any difference. Oh dear. And so far, it does not. You know what? This might be a time that I do a little programming. Five. Yeah, 5, sure. X equals X plus 1. 20. Go to 5. 15. Yeah, we'll do a question mark, which means print. We'll do a home thing. Oh, X. And maybe in line 2, we'll clear the screen. By the way, you know, if you press the shift and the Commodore key, it goes from upper to lowercase, upper to lowercase, upper to lowercase. Yeehaw. So list. So what's the idea behind this? I want to torture this drive. That's what I want to do. Torture it. So it has now tortured it once. Is it going to make any difference? Probably not. But sometimes. I mean, these things have been sitting around for an awfully long time. Oh, boy, it suddenly is going a bunch faster, like it actually might be going well. And it's not banging the heads anymore. It's doing a little extra flickering. Well, that's interesting. I will try to load the directory. That did not go well. Interesting. I will reset and try this again and reset the disk as I do it. And no. Now, here is the question. Well, this is a 1541 test disk. It came out of the barn fresh disks. Does it work? I don't know. I'm going to take another disc that I have used recently, which has musical things on it, and I'm going to see if it will read. And it will not. So, if I'm not mistaken, I still have my torture program here. So well, that is strange, because now, you see, the torture program is working quite fine. But it's still doesn't want to read the directory. Oh, loading. Do we have the directory? So maybe we tortured it enough. Oh, well, that's not. I've got sound in here, and that really doesn't make much difference because this machine was making this go crazy. So what did I do? I turned the volume way down on the monitor. Does this drive load? No. Now, somewhere around here, maybe this is it. It's been a while since I have been doing things here, but I have a box of discs. No, that is not it. I have my test discs. Ugh. Boy, it's a good thing I sprayed this chair down. Oh, maybe they're here. Maybe they are. Maybe they're not. Oh, how could I have let them slip away? Oh, well, I do see something else here. There's a disc box here. What do we got in here? Ooh. It's another test demo disc. So, I guess it's a start. But I don't believe it's going to do any different. No. So it did that quite nicely. Oh. Okay. And there we are. The contents of the 1541 test demo disc. Now, with that one loaded, I know I am pushing my luck here. Will this other one load? My gut tells me it. Oh, look at that. We have woken the drive up. And it is doing its thing. Alright, now I have to move. I have a bus card here. And I think I see where no, that's not it either. I think I see where I had my other test discs. But no, it's not. Is this box what I'm looking for? Oh, I don't believe it. No, it is not. Okay. This pesters me. Is this the one? I don't believe it is. No, but it looks like a box of brand new discs. Well, let's see here. Maybe we can work something out here. All right. Now, I believe I have this drive woken up, mostly by exercise. This will probably come up with nothing because it is blank, never formatted, brand new. So we'll take our test demo disk and we will load the performance test. See if it will load. Little hesitation. But it has loaded. Now, of course, we take this disk out. And they always say, put in a scratch disk. That means a blank disk, or one that you don't care about. Oh, we'll press Shift and the Commodore key. Wait for the magic. And this is sounding much nicer. We should hear it clicking away here. And we do. We do indeed. So that is reassuring. I am still pestered. The fact that the main test discs that I have used a lot are not just sitting here. Mind you, I haven't done a bunch of things lately. Ugh, sorry. Yeah, it's a good thing I lubricated this chair. See, I see another pile. I don't really want to knock the camera. Aha. Is this the pile? I don't know. Excuse me. It might be. Or it might not be. No, not at all. Not at all. Alright, they cannot. They cannot be far. I must have put them somewhere close at hand, so when I got to doing things again, that I could keep doing them. But I don't see them. This is frustrating. But anyway, this drive is seeming to be working. I will work on finding my long lost discs after some more testing of things. Anyway, and I do want to keep these handy, these other ones. So I'll set them aside where I know they are. Okay, so it's gone through its routines here, and it seems to be working. Now, one thing I can do, I think I have to turn it off, but I don't know. I will turn the drive on and off. Okay, so now I'm suspecting we're getting an error message. Device not present. Perfect. Okay, so the device switch is working. I will flip it, and then I will press run. And actually, at this moment, I really don't want to do this. So I'm going to open the door. And no, we're not going to do that. Now, I'm going to turn the drive on and off. I'm going to flip the switch. I don't know if I really have to turn the drive on or off to do this, but I'm going to. I'm going to now type in run. It should be device 8. It should go through its thing. Now I have turned the read-write switch off. So it should fail. a moment. All right. Oh, now it says that it is writing. I wonder if it is. This is very strange. Because if it is writing, and if it's all fine, which it seems to be doing, then I think the switch is not connected. Because I did flip it. It says W, and it looks to me like an N, as in right, and no. Anyway, it is doing its thing. Now it is scratching things. Now the head will do its magical banga, 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 banga. Or not banga, it just goes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so it has passed. Well, that is strange. But, you know. So now, I think I'll stop on this for the second. So what did we find out? Well, this drive that had been probably sitting for 20, 30 years, initially did not want to work, but when I tortured it, eventually it did come around. So maybe it needed a little movement, a little banging. Maybe that got the speed going. The banging of it, maybe also the disc in there might have helped. There is this, microscopic scunge that happens. And microscopic scunge will indeed keep, especially the head, which is very sensitive, from reading and writing properly. So maybe the microscopic scunge got worn off of it. I don't know. Anyway, next time I think we'll go through some of the other diagnostic things in the Retro Rewind cartridge and see what else we can find. So thanks for coming. Bye for now.